everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? Today I'm going to share with you how just by the positioning of your tongue in your mouth you can look more attractive. You can have a sharper jawline. It can help if you are having sleep apnea, if you have any speech disorders or any other the swallowing issues, or if you are a mouth breather. All of that can be helped with this thing. With that, I'm also going to share with you one aid that can help you in achieving that proper tongue posture. So how to do all of that and what I'm talking about, let's start. So number one, when I'm talking about that by tongue position, how can your face be looking more attractive? I have some proofs before we start into the details. Here you can see the before picture, the person who does not have a proper tongue posture, his face looks droopy, his face looks not that attractive. But on the other hand side, if you look the after picture, you can observe clearly that just by keeping your tongue the proper way, as I'm going to teach you today, you can achieve a sharper jawline and you can look more attractive. And obviously it's going to help you in so many other ways also, that all of that we're going to talk. Now the question must be coming in your mind, what is this posture that you're talking about and how do I know whether I'm doing the right way or not? So just observe, close your mouth. When you close your mouth, observe where does the tongue lie. Is it lying in the lower half? Is it resting there? Or is it resting in the upper half? Where is it? And if it's resting down here around the lower teeth area, then that's the wrong area to be resting on. That is the wrong posture. And with that, it will also like if you have had this history that you are a mouth breather and you snore, or maybe you're having like these uneven teeth and all, so all of that could be the reason because your tongue is in the wrong position or you have a wrong tongue posture. Now how do you know that? How do you keep your tongue in the proper position? Just do this thing and try to say N. N. So where the N comes, that is the position where your tongue should be. Do it with me right now. Like N. Your inner corner, and this is the roof of your mouth. So here are your front teeth and this is the ridged area, that one you have around the gums. Here the tongue should be resting like this and it should be hugging your roof like that. And this is the right posture of tongue that you should be having. I don't know, many of you might be aware about it, but this thing, the correcting of your tongue posture, is known as mewing. If you feel that you are doing it correct, then well and good, congratulations, you've already been doing what you should be doing. But if you are on the other side, that you are not being doing the right way, no worries. Today I'm going to teach you how you can practice the tongue to be lying there on the roof. You can take help of something that is very interesting and I'm super proud of, because it is an international collaboration with this one Australian brand that is first time launching in India here, and I'm the first one talking about it here. This is MYOSPOTS. These are the tongue exercise spots. How are they going to help you in achieving that tongue posture? So when you are going to take it like that, you will be sticking it to the upper roof of your mouth. It will last you for around 50 minutes or so. So as you stick it there, and it does have flavor to it. These are all natural, they are vegan, they don't have any artificial coloring, they don't have any artificial flavors, and they do not even have any sugar. When you have stuck it there, your tongue will keep on going up and it will try to suck this thing up, and with that it will get the practice of sitting across that palate and sitting across that roof, and eventually your tongue will get trained. You will be getting 100 spots of this one. So if you apply this 3 times a day, that will be a good practice for your tongue, because we all know tongue is just a muscle, you can always train it. So how you can get your hands on them is, I will link everything in the description box. You can go to their website. This one retails for 45 Australian dollars. So that would be like, if you convert it into Indian rupees, it will be with shipping and taxes and everything 3,000 rupees for this one. So they do ship worldwide, no matter where you are. You can check on their website when you try to buy these. They do come in 2 flavors, where you can go for banana, you can go for blueberries. That's totally up to you. My personal favorite is blueberry one, but banana is also good. Both of them are good. So this was my video about MYOSPOTS, which I would highly recommend you should try for the good tongue posture. If you have any other questions related to this, do comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer that for you all. Take care. Do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.